For this video, I'll be demonstrating how to prepare a box of mac and cheese. First, boil some water. I'm using Annie's organic mac and cheese for this video. Add the pasta to the water and cook for 8 minutes or until the pasta is al dente. After the 8 minutes are up, give your pasta a stir and then drain it into a colander. Add it back to a pot, but don't turn the heat on. Then add in butter, milk, and the included cheese packet. Stir this up until it's fully combined without any lumps. The texture should look like this. Then add your completed mac and cheese to a bowl of your choice. I like to serve this with this chili oil from Trader Joe's to add extra flavor. Then you're all done. Your mac and cheese is ready to be served. Thank you for watching!